The content of today's lecture, the basic of configuration of chopper. We will discuss about some basic introduction regarding the configuration of chopper. Then we will discuss the diagram, that is the quadrant, 4 quadrant diagrams. Then we'll discuss the basics of class A, B, C, D, E chopper based on the configuration, and finally we will summarize it. Okay. So configuration of chopper. So first of all, how can we configure a chopper? How can we chopper? So the basic configuration of chopper, that is done according to the direction of output voltage and output current. Okay, so if we want to configure this chopper, then on the basis of output voltage and output current we can configure it. Okay, so here it is written that is the it is done according to the direction of output voltage and output current. Okay, so direction of output voltage and output current, that means we have to take the meaning in the manner of positive value and negative value. Okay, so whether the output voltage is positive or negative, or output current is positive and negative, according to that we can configure the chopper. Okay, understood how the configuration of chopper is done? The configuration of chopper is done according to the direction of output voltage and output current. Okay, whether the output voltage and output current both are positive, or output voltage positive, output current is negative, so according to that we can configure it. Okay, so this is the diagram of configuration of chopper. So in this diagram, on x-axis we have taken the output current, and on y-axis we have taken output voltage. Okay, here it is the output positive output current, here it is the negative output current, here it is the positive output voltage, and here is the negative output voltage. Okay, this quadrant is known as the first quadrant, this quadrant is known as the second quadrant. We are generally talking about the 4 quadrant. This quadrant is known as the third quadrant, and this quadrant is known as the fourth quadrant. Okay, so we have a in V0 I0 plane we have a 4 quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, now we have to see the direction of output voltage and output current. Okay, so in first quadrant, here is the first quadrant. Okay, so in first quadrant the output current is positive and output voltage is also positive. Okay, so the chopper in which the output voltage is positive as well as the output current is positive, this chopper is known as, or this chopper operates in the first quadrant. Okay, understood? In first quadrant we have a output current that is positive, we have a output voltage is positive. Okay, so the chopper in which the output voltage and output current both are positive, this chopper operates in the first quadrant chopper, or we can say that this chopper is known as the first quadrant chopper. Okay, and the first quadrant chopper is also known as the type A chopper. Okay, so we can say the type A chopper, type A chopper is the first quadrant chopper. Why it is known as the first quadrant chopper? Because in type A chopper the output voltage and output current both are positive. Okay, in type A chopper the output voltage and output current both are positive. That means the type A chopper operates in the first quadrant chopper. That's why it is also known as the first quadrant chopper. Okay, so in this first quadrant chopper output voltage and output current both are positive. One another thing in first quadrant chopper, that in first quadrant chopper power flows from source to load. Okay, in first quadrant chopper, okay, the chopper which operates in the first quadrant, in which power flows from source to load. Okay, so the direction of power, because output voltage and output current both are positive, so we can say that the power flows from source to load in first quadrant chopper, and this first quadrant chopper is also known as the forward motoring action. So this chopper operates as a forward motoring action. Okay, now look at the second quadrant chopper. This is the second quadrant chopper, which is also known as the forward braking, okay, operation. Okay, so in second quadrant, what we can say that here it is the second quadrant. Okay, so the output voltage in second quadrant is positive, but the output current in second quadrant is negative. Okay, in second quadrant it is known as the forward braking. Why it is known as the forward braking? Because in second quadrant output voltage is positive and output current is negative, because the output voltage we are getting, that is the positive, but output current we are not getting the positive, it is in the negative direction. Okay, so in second quadrant output voltage is positive and output current is negative. Okay, so type B chopper, type B chopper is known as the second quadrant chopper, because in this type B chopper output voltage remains positive but output current remains negative, or negative output current we are getting. Okay, so negative output current, that means the direction of output current is reversed compared to this first case. Okay, so as the output current flows in the reverse direction, that means we can say that power flows from load to source. Okay, so in this type B chopper power flows from source, load to source, whereas in type A chopper what happens, power flows from source to load because output current is positive. But in second quadrant chopper what happens, the output current is negative, that means the direction of output current is reversed compared to this case. So we can say that the power flows from load to source, and this second quadrant chopper is the type B chopper, or we can say that type B chopper operates in the second quadrant. Okay, it is also known as the second quadrant chopper, and this second quadrant is known as the forward braking. Okay, now the third quadrant. So in third quadrant what happens, the output current is negative and output voltage is also negative. Okay, so in third quadrant we are getting the output current that is negative as well as the output current also negative. So combination of negative output current and negative output voltage that we are getting in the third quadrant, and it is known as the reverse drive. Okay, reverse drive. In fourth quadrant chopper, fourth quadrant what happens, in fourth quadrant we have a negative output voltage. Okay, output voltage we are getting that is the negative, but output current we are getting that is positive. Understood? So in fourth quadrant the output voltage is negative whereas the output current is positive. So this is the fourth quadrant and it is known as the reverse braking. Okay, these are the fourth quadrant. So type A chopper is the first quadrant chopper, which is known as the forward motoring or forward drive action. Second quadrant, that is the type B chopper, it is known as the forward braking. Output voltage is positive and output current is negative. Now type C chopper. Okay, so in type C chopper, this type C chopper is the combination of type A chopper and type B chopper. Okay, type C chopper is the combination of type A chopper and type B chopper. Okay, so in type C chopper the output voltage remains positive. In type C chopper output voltage remains positive, but the output current will vary from negative to positive and positive to negative. That means the direction of output current will change according to the switching operation of the chopper. Okay, So in this type C chopper, the output voltage remains constant. It will not change. It will remain positive. Output voltage remain positive in type C chopper, but the output current in type C chopper will change from negative to positive and positive to negative according to the switching of chopper. Okay, so this type C chopper is the combination of type A chopper and type B chopper. Why it is the combination of type A and type B chopper? Because in type A chopper output voltage is positive, in type B chopper output voltage is also positive. Okay, whereas in type A chopper output current is positive and type B chopper output current is negative. That's why we can say that type C chopper is the combination of type A chopper and type B chopper. So voltage remains, output voltage remains positive, but output current will change from negative to positive and positive to negative according to the switching operation of the chopper. Okay, so this is the type C chopper. Okay, now next is the type D chopper. Okay, here is the type D chopper. Okay, so in type D chopper, okay, what happens? The output current remains positive. Okay, so here this type C chopper will operate in both quadrant, first quadrant as well as the second quadrant. Okay, understood? This type C chopper operates in the two quadrant, or we can say that type C chopper is also known as the two quadrant chopper. Why it is known as the two quadrant chopper? Because this type C operates in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant also. That's why this type C chopper is known as the two quadrant chopper. Okay, it operates in the first quadrant as well as in the second quadrant. Okay, now in this type D chopper, what happens? The output currents remains positive. Okay, output current will not change, it will remain positive, but the output voltage sometimes it remains positive and sometimes it will change to negative. So output voltage will change from positive to negative or negative to positive according to the switching of chopper, but the output current remains positive only. Output current will not change, it will remain positive, but output voltage will change from positive to negative and from negative to positive. Okay, so type D chopper, this type D chopper operates in the two quadrant. It is also known as the two quadrant chopper, and it operates in the first quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. So type D chopper operates in first quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so forward motoring action is also done and reverse braking operation will also done. Okay, so this type D chopper is the two quadrant chopper. It operates in the first quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. Output current remains positive, but output voltage will change from positive to negative and negative to positive according to the switching of chopper. Okay, now next is the type E chopper. So this type E chopper, this type E chopper will operate in all the four quadrants. So this type E chopper operates in the first quadrant also, it operates in the second quadrant also, it operates in the third quadrant also, and it operates in the fourth quadrant also. That's why this type E chopper is known as the four quadrant chopper. What is the name given to the type E chopper? Type E chopper is also known as the four quadrant chopper. Why it is known as the four quadrant chopper? Because this type E chopper operates in all four quadrant. It also operates in the first quadrant as well as operates in the second quadrant, also operates in the third quadrant, and also operates in the fourth quadrant. That's why this type E chopper is known as the four quadrant chopper. So all the actions, that is forward motoring, forward braking, reverse drive, and reverse braking operation done in this type E chopper. Okay, so when type E chopper operates in the first quadrant, the output voltage and output current both are positive. When this type E chopper operates in second quadrant, the output voltage is positive, output current is negative. When output voltage and output current both are negative, at that time this type E chopper operates in the third quadrant. When output voltage is negative and output current is positive, at that time this type E chopper operates in the fourth quadrant. So according to the direction of output voltage and output current, this chopper is configured, and it is known as the first quadrant chopper, second quadrant chopper, two quadrant chopper, and four quadrant chopper. Okay, so type A chopper is the first quadrant chopper, type B chopper is the second quadrant chopper, type C chopper is known as the two quadrant chopper. It operates in first and second quadrant, and it is the combination of type A and type B chopper. Then type D chopper is also known as the two quadrant chopper, and it operates in the first quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. Whereas the type E chopper operates in all four quadrants. That's why it is known as the four quadrant chopper. So this is the configuration of chopper that is done based on the direction of output voltage and output current.